Next is our all gates. So this is my all gate code, wherein you can see that we have got AND gate, OR gate, NAND, NOR, okay, XOR and XNOR. So we're going to, and we have got inverter too at the beginning, so we're going to get this done. Alright, now next, this is our test bench. Fine, for each thing we'll give at each interval will give some stimuli, and this is our constraints file. So input and output, so obviously two inputs are there, A and B, and one output is there. For all we have set 1 pico as our delay upper limit. Alright, after writing all these things, we will go into simulation folder to simulate it. So we'll give the command of Irun and we'll hit enter. And since we have taken the output as a vector, so I'll just expand this so that I can check all the outputs for each of the combinations. You can do that like this and get the outputs at a perfect time. What is the output, how is it behaving. Alright, so functional simulation is done. We'll get out of this incisive. After that, we would move into work folder, and since we have already written the constraints file, directly we can go into the work folder and simulate it, synthesize it, Genus command. So now we'll set the attributes, set underscore 8ttr space lib underscore search underscore path / library, then the same for HDL path, next we would set the library, so library space slow high vt dot lib. Alright, next we would want to read the code. Next we want to elaborate the code. Next we will give the report commands. So the delay over here is 108 picoseconds. Okay. Next we will give area. We have got a total area of 30 micrometers square. Next is power. Power we have got 552.126 nanowatts. Now we'll add the SDC file. Alright, So now we'll synthesize. Again we'll give, so the highest value again is 1000. Next is area. The area got reduced from 30 to 19. Even power got reduced, right? So sometimes both area and power will get affected. Sometimes only power gets affected. Sometimes it may so happen that only area got reduced or increased. Okay, so if it is increasing, then it's a bad design. Okay, change your code after that. It should always reduce. Why? Remember scaling? That's why. Alright, so this will be all. In our next session we'll be covering, we'll be starting with the sequential circuits, flip-flops and all. So this will be all for today. If you've got any doubts, you can directly contact me and you know how to do that. Thank you.